Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on how to make this shape pretty crudely. And then I started thinking about when I was watching on video a way to make it. And then one of my subscribers left me a message and it was exactly what I was thinking about. So I appreciate him thinking about this. So just take a rectangle, go up here, and you can type in any number, regardless of how big this is. We can put in 3 inches and it makes that, but it always go like 5. So go overkill because you can't go too much. You can't, if you put in 8, it's not going to do any more than the 5 was because it's already rounded. Then we're going to go to effects and contour. We're going to contour the inside 1.5 inches. Go up to object, break contour apart. Now group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate it. Start moving it and hold down the control button. Now, if you ever get off, and let's say you're over here, you can always type in like L or R and put it to the left or the right. Now we need to take some 2-point lines and you want to put them somewhere before the thing starts curving. Don't worry about where they are right now. You don't want, I'll just show you right here. You don't want that little curve up there. So make sure you put it beyond where it's still straight. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete these 2 lines. And then take your smart fill tool and there's that S. It's not an S. In the next couple of days, I want to make a video on what the gentleman is really wanting to do with it. But now we need to make it as long on those parts. And this is the easy part. Bring in indexing lines, and if you have snap to on, it will snap to there. Like I've got snap to guidelines on. Then just take your shape tool, select those 2 nodes, hold down the control button, and it'll snap to there. If you don't hold down the control button, you can get off. But if you hit the control button, you can get, you can get off that much, but you can't get off like that much. Or a little bit. So hold down the control button, have it snap to it, and there's that shape. And over the next several days, I'm going to make videos on what the gentleman was actually wanting to do with this. It's pretty impressive. Anyway, I hope that it helped somebody someday, and thank that viewer for reminding me, and thank you for watching.